If you want to speed up your workflow, then using keyboard shortcuts is the way to go. And if you don't know what the keyboard shortcuts are inside a Photopea, then what you can simply do is you can go around onto the More menu right here, and then you can click on keyboard shortcuts. Once you do that, there are a lot of keyboard shortcuts that you have, as you can see right here. For example, if I were to go around over here onto Move tool, then you can simply go around and press V on your keyboard right here. So if I were to go to V right here, then it selects out the Move tool. You can also hover around on a particular tool. Let's say, for example, if you were to press M, then you select this tool right here. Similarly, you can see that the crop tool is C right here, just like this. And once you press C, immediately you can go ahead and crop things out right here. Apart from that, you can also go around onto menu, and whenever there is a shortcut key, you can see it right here. Like Control plus U is hue and saturation. So press Control plus U on your keyboard right here, and you immediately have access to hue and saturation right here. And that is how you can go ahead and then work around with the keyboard shortcuts and learn the keyboard shortcuts to increase your workflow as you want inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.